When you read the Bible, Revelations, from chapter 17, 18, and 19, you understand ukuthi kwenzakalani khona manje, and especially this year. Why ngithi you understand with a lot of companies avalwa and all of that, and then people becoming retrenched. It's in the Bible, and I've been talking about this, but umoya ingcwele ngathi ufuna ukuthi ngibe more explicit ukuthi abantu bazokwazi understand. From chapter 17, it says the scarlet woman and the scarlet beast. And then when you continue to read, they explain the meaning of the woman and the scarlet beast. And this refers to the marine kingdom. Why this refers to the marine kingdom? It refers to the marine kingdom because of when you hear people talk about the marine kingdom, they say the marine kingdom has power, and the marine kingdom has been ruling for years and years and years. And the Bible confirms it qua Revelation. They have deceived the whole world. So the scarlet beast now, when you read on it, it's falling isithwalo semarini esiwayo kulo nyaka waka 2025. Why ngithi siyawa? Because a lot of companies are retrenching, a lot of companies are closing down. Kwenzakala kancane kancane because of lamakhosi manje azongena kuphakama the beast system manje. The beast. So this beast mayizofika angeke kuze kuphathe into ezibili, kumele kuphathe okodwa. Kodwa ku Revelation siyachazelwa manje ukuthi this is thwalo lesi, and I need to teach more now because of abantwana abamanzi have been lied to. Baloko batshela ukuthi hey, mawunengelosi isithunywa sakho samanzi usathane loyo, evil loyo, devil loyo. Cha kuzomela ukuthi sikwazi ukwenzani ukuhlukanisa. Yes, with this scarlet beast and the woman, they are talking about the harlot. Go and Google the word harlot. This harlot sits in different water bodies, and this harlot mayihleli bayazazi abanikazi bayo lento ukuthi bayenzani ebusuku. Yiko ngithi ama-water bodies awekho clean, because emini uyageza, when ntambama kukhona abafikayo bazowenza iy'nto zabo zobusuku or whatever time abafika ngayo. So the Bible is explicit, and it explains ukuthi this harlot, for you to your business to be big, to be mega, it requires you to be sleeping, doing sexual immoralities, and all of those things. And when you hear igigaba ezokuthi hey, people are sleeping with the men are sleeping with men and all of those things, uvele umangala. That is why abantu bathi mina mangibuya emanzini, I started to have a spiritual husband or a spiritual wife. Uyabona ukuthi ke wena you had an encounter nomoya onjani umubi, yingakho ungamelanga nje uziyele nje emanzini ungatshelwanga abakini or ingelosi zakho ukuthi iya emanzini. Nayi lento ngangihlala ngiyipreach ukuthi ukuba ingane yamanzi, ukuba nengelosi yamanzi, it does not necessarily mean ukuthi hamba uye emanzini. Through prayer, through spirit, you go to the waters. So ngoba siwa ke lesi sithwalo, a lot of companies, and heaven right now is rejoicing because of kufa abantu abaningi, because of lesithwalo. Mina kuthwalwe ngabantu abaningi, ukuze ubona ama-business abe mega and all of that. And while other people said indlebe zikhanyilanga vele bathwele ngabantu, thola ukuthi emakhampanini wabo bathwele ngabantu. So nje amaqiniso 2025 ayaphuma. Vuleka amehlo manje.